Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I make my shrimp fried rice. It's super easy to follow. Anyone can make it. So first you're going to need shrimp. I cut it up into small pieces, and then you're going to season your shrimp to your liking. I am using Grace all-purpose seasoning on my shrimp. Also, you're going to need some rice. Day-old rice is best. I did not have any, so I made fresh rice. You're also going to need garlic, which you'll chop up finely, eggs, which you'll beat and season, and broccoli. So in a pan, you're going to saute your cut up garlic in butter. And then you're going to add your shrimp and then cook your shrimp. Once you cook your shrimp, you set that aside, and then you're going to add your broccoli to that same pan that you cooked the shrimp in, and season your broccoli to your liking. I'm going to show you the seasonings I'm using for the remainder of the video, which is teriyaki sauce and soy sauce. On my broccoli, I only added the teriyaki sauce. And then after you're done cooking your broccoli, you also want to set that aside. So then you're going to add a stick of butter. It's very important to use unsalted butter when you add your teriyaki sauce, your soy sauce, and any seasonings. It's full of sodium, so you want to make sure your butter is unsalted. That way your food isn't too salty. So we're going to cook some more garlic in the melted butter. We're going to add our cooked rice, and I also added my soy sauce. And then you're going to keep stirring until you get that fried rice look. So it's going to turn brown because of the soy sauce. So as you keep stirring so that everything is well coated, you're going to add all your final ingredients. So you add your broccoli, stir that. Then you're going to also add your cooked shrimp, stir that. And then lastly, you're going to add in the egg that you had beat and seasoned and set aside. And then you're going to stir that in until the egg is fully cooked. I actually really like eggs, so separately I made some more scrambled eggs, which I added in at the end so I could have like some big chunks of egg in my fried rice. And this is your final result. You're going to be left with some super delicious shrimp fried rice. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe and check out my older videos. Bye!